अस्सलाम वालेकुम। देखें मैंने जंग उतार दिया। ये टूल यूज़ किया मैंने। और ये यूज़ किया है और थोड़ा सा रेगमाल यूज़ किया है। कैसा लगा आपको? मैं इसको पेंट करूँगा इंशाल्लाह। ठीक है, got it?
That's an engine for it.
What's that?
Engine for it to start. From that gas. Because that sea submarine, no?
We started this engine after 7
थोड़ा
years.
डांस
So we changed the oil in it. But we can't just crank the engine because the top part of the engine is all dry.
ओके
Yeah? So because the 7 years dead engine, we have to manually crank it. So someone told me how to do it. We put new oil in it.
Come
here.
on.
We
No
don't
fun के लिए बना रही हूँ।
we don't want any combustion. We just want to crank the engine. Okay, so let's put the thumb here. So that's it. Pull the spark plug. Let's pull the pressure, and then let's manually crank it. It's like when you do it, it's like hissing and sparkling. Now it's now we have we are on the safe side
Yeah.
to do it with a starter motor.
Okay.
But later on, this is just cranking the engine. So this is without combustion. We're gonna put carburetor, fuel tank, and then spark plugs, and that should spark it, and that should be good and running. Like it's supposed to run.
now we want to see some moves now
Many times now. I'm just gonna see what happens. I think I'm gonna splash all over the place, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I can see the oil from here. I don't know where the oil should come here now. Okay, what's next? Did you make